I started making floral accessories a little over a year ago, and that was kind of inspired by my love of nature and my love of my dog Charlotte. So I begin by taking inspiration from real flowers. I go to gardens, I pick up flowers at the supermarket, I go online and look up photos and print them, and then I begin picking out the colored felt and cutting it, sculpting it, painting it, whatever I need to do to manipulate it to what I want it to look like. I create greenery for each flower, and I try to usually match whatever the natural leaf is to the flower. And then I attach a base and the hardware that I created myself to attach to the pet collar. She gets really excited when I bring out a new accessory for her to put on. I don't know if it's her white fur, but everything pops on it, and she is exceptionally photogenic. So I adopted Charlotte through the Sato Project. The Sato Project rescues and rehabilitates dogs from Puerto Rico, and they adopt them out to the States. Puerto Rico is known for having a pretty bad stray population and not many resources to fix the problem, especially after Hurricane Maria. I'm not sure exactly how I fell into it, but I was actually looking for something for Charlotte. I wanted some flowers for her that were from Puerto Rico, that were native to Puerto Rico. I couldn't find any artificial flowers like that. You would have to make it. We adopted Charlotte in August of 2016. And she came to us out of a situation where she was rescued, but then kind of, became a hoarding situation, and the city stepped in and wanted to actually euthanize her and a few other dogs as the solution to the hoarding situation. And the Sato Project stepped in and went to court and won custody of them and then adopted them out. Rivington Rose has been kind of a combination of some of my biggest passions, and it's pretty cool that I can combine nature, animals, and art all in one. I also really love interacting with my customers because all of them have such a deep love for their pets, and they're reaching out to me because they want their pet to be part of a special day, or they just want to celebrate their pet, and I can totally relate, so that's always fun.